And then what do you say? You know. Has anyone ever been to Longdowns? So here's the thing, it's MOT day and I'm going to drop the car off and I'm going to have to find something to do. What is there to do in Longdowns? I'm dropping off the Seagull. It's a Charger, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you think anyone would mind if I flew my drone? So I've just been told it's going to take about an hour to do, so wait around an hour or go explore. As you drive into Helston, you pass this garage here, which is literally, it kind of looks like a car scrapyard. There's so many vehicles outside, but these guys don't rip me off. Touch wood. I gotta say, today's probably the first day that it's felt like autumn. It actually is quite chilly today. And it's not even like I can sit in their office because of social distancing. So I'm just out in the cold. Yes, mate. No, yeah, they said it'd be about an hour, so I'm just gonna hang around here and then I'll just come around. Yeah, we'll go for a walk somewhere. It passed. So I'm heading over to see my mate James. I've not actually seen him since March, I'd probably say. Car passed the MOT, went through, flying colours, ideal. Should we just go to the pub then?
Sounds good, mate.
You know, I haven't been to the pub since March. How's it been, Ty, anyway? Busy?
Yeah, it's been alright today.
So first time in a pub since March, and it's not a huge amount of difference, except for the fact that you have to wear a mask when you stood up, and when you sat down you don't have to wear a mask, and you have to put your mask on if you go to the toilet.
Not if you're sitting down.
Yeah, or you could just go to the toilet at your table.
Sit on the cubicle. Excuse me.
So, because of COVID, most sort of restaurants and things have gone on to sachets as opposed to ketchup bottles to save, obviously, lots of people touching them. But if you eat out and you order ketchup and mayonnaise and then you don't use it, they have to throw it in the bin. So, not the best thing for the environment, but this year's been weird anyway. So, also, this was my first time today back to the pub since March, and people have asked me why it's taken me so long, and I'm not a fan of unnecessary risk. I just feel that if it's not going to be the same as what it normally is, then why put yourself in risk when you don't need to. Anyway, that's about it from me today. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Cornwall related videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!